few weeks ago, I installed an app called Overseer onto my Synology NAS so that my husband can download whatever media that he pleases automatically. And a certain someone forgot to put limits on the file sizes of those downloads, so the NAS is now completely out of space. I bought a new 8TB hard drive that I'm going to install in it later today. But first, I have a problem that I need to solve. The Synology I have has 5 bays, and I am missing one of the drive trays to install this drive with. So I'm going to try to 3D print one, and hopefully it works. The one I found here on Thingiverse is for the DS1515 Plus, which I think is just the newer model of the one I actually have, which is the DS1515 Plus. Hoping they fit. I've already downloaded the file and put it into my slicer with all of the appropriate settings here, and I'm going to try to print it in a cool new filament that I got, which is called Galaxy Chameleon from Strong Hero 3D. I'll be back after that successfully completes. 5 and some odd hours later, all done. I used some screws that fit with these little end sets to secure it in. Don't know if they're the right ones or not, but they worked. And now I'm going to go install it into the Synology. There it is. 8TB more of capacity for whatever I need it for. I have these drives in a single fault-tolerant configuration, so I can lose one of them, and the other ones with RAID should be able to recover, hopefully. I should be using 2 fault-tolerant drives at this level of storage that I have. However, drives are expensive and all of my stuff is backed up anyway. To add these to the storage pool, we're just going to come down here, come to Action, Add Drive, and there it is. Drive number 5. It's 8TB. All the data will be erased. Yes. Total capacity, 25TB. Hell yes. Apply. Now we wait. This takes a long time to do because it needs to restripe all of the data across all of the drives, including the new 5th one. So that will probably take until tomorrow morning, but good enough for me. I'm just going to let it go and check on it in the morning. And Synology's version of RAID allows you to mix drive sizes. So I've got 2 6TB drives in mine and 3 8TB drives, including the new one. And as you can see here, that works out to be 28TB of usable space and 8TB that are used for parity. Just using normal RAID 5, that wouldn't be possible because you have to use the same drive sizes. So if this was a RAID 5 configuration, the 6TB would kind of just be unused. Worthless. At the rate my husband downloads stuff, I'm probably going to have to buy a new NAS soon, but we've got some time. 8,000 GB worth of space to download whatever we want. What shall we get?